How to see your upvoted posts on Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the profile avatar or picture at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on history. And once you're here, you will see a drop down at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. And from the given menu list at the bottom that just popped out, click on Upvoted. And here you will be able to find all of your upvotes on your Reddit account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find, check, and see your upvotes or upvoted posts on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.